I spent 6 months in my kitchen working out the filtration system for the forge. Most of the ozone generators that are on the market, they don't work at all. I'm buying all these ozone generators off of Amazon and I'm getting them from China, and they're all built for hot tubs. And most of them are cosmetic because at the temperature of a hot tub, the ozone breaks down so fast, it doesn't really do you any good. So when you read about ozone, and there's some articles out there, oh, it doesn't really work. It's true. You need to have cold and you need to have the right ozone component. We're an ice bath. We got the best ozone generator that I could find. It works great. You need to know how to use the equipment to measure oxidative reduction potential in order to design this stuff right. If the equipment manufacturer that you're considering says, and you only need to add chlorine every week or something like that, and you only need to change the water every 3 days, it's because their filtration disinfection system just doesn't work.